Welcome to VPack Machine Private Limited, a trusted global manufacturer of modern juice and beverage packaging machinery. In this video, you are watching a complete, fully automatic juice bottling line in action. The process begins with fruit juice preparation, where the juice is blended, filtered, and pasteurized to maintain freshness, hygiene, and long shelf life. From here, the juice is gently transferred to the filling section, where PET bottles are automatically blown, rinsed, filled, and capped with precision and consistency. Every stage of the line is designed for smooth, continuous operation with minimal manpower. After capping, bottles move through advanced labeling, date coding, and shrink wrapping systems to prepare them for safe transportation and market distribution. This type of packaging line can handle a wide range of products, including mango, orange, apple, guava, mixed fruit drinks, lemon beverages, and many other juices. VPack Machine Private Limited provides complete turnkey solutions, from juice processing units and PET blow molding machines to filling machines, labeling lines, RO plants, and complete installation support worldwide. If you are planning to set up a juice bottling plant or a complete water bottling plant, simply send a message to the WhatsApp number shown on screen, and our team will contact you with machine details, layout planning, costing, and full project guidance to help you start your beverage business smoothly.